Good morning, everybody. I'm getting ready to do another wine, the wine that I told you 2 weeks ago I was going to get started, and things kind of happened. Been planning for graduation and prom, and then storms happened in Houston, so a lot of things have been going on to where I'm just now getting to this wine. But I'm going to make the Black Raspberry Island Mist, which is a very, very sweet wine, a very sweet red. A lot like my Riesling, just probably a little hint sweeter. So with all that, what comes in this particular kit, because it's not a dry red, it's not going to have any oakiness to it, so it's not going to have any oak chips or wood chips whatsoever. So what comes in the kit is you got your juice concentrate, you have your flavor pack, which is like, seriously like black cherry Jolly Ranchers. It's amazing stuff. And then of course you've got your yeast, your chemicals, same chemicals that you do with the other wines. I've already kind of kicked it started and got the bentonite already mixed up to help kind of save time. So we're gonna just jump right into it. All right, so let me get my handy dandy directions. All right. I can never do this without these, even though I do the same stuff over and over and over again. I'm still a little wary about exactly what I'm doing. I'm gonna move some of this out of the way. So today, what we're gonna be using is the juice concentrate, the yeast, the bentonite that I've already mixed up. All of the rest of the chemicals, we're gonna wait 2 weeks for the next wine vlog on this one. Go ahead and set that over. And then this flavor pack is also going to be used at a later date. So after this, we're going to get our primary fermenter that has already been sanitized and ready to go. So first, the bentonite, a quick little stir. Pour that in there. Still really hot. So now, the heavy juice concentrate. This one also doesn't have as much juice concentrate as the Cabernet that I just started. Oh, I can't get this one open. Handy dandy butter knife. To fill it up with water. Something I haven't shown you guys before, primarily because mine's been broken, I got a new one, is the hydrometer. So this is going to give you the specific gravity of what the wine is, so you can later on calculate how much wine or how much alcohol is actually in your wine. So we're just going to give it a little spin. Too much bubbles in there. Gotta be able to read it. So according to this, we want it between 1.048 and 1.060, and we are, whoop, there we go. What do you mean again? Oh, these stupid bubbles. Can't read it with the bubbles. We are at 1.05. About 1.049. So barely over where we need it to be. And just because I'm always breaking these, I'm just going to stick it in that so it doesn't roll off the counter and shatter again. So now that I got that, I'll be writing that number down. Time for the yeast and to put it away for 2 weeks. I think I'm gonna need some husband muscle over here. All right, so a little bit of husband muscle, we got it taken care of. So again, this is gonna sit for 2 weeks, and in 2 weeks, we're gonna rack this one into one of these carboys. Now, this one over here, I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek. I'm gonna be doing one final racking on it probably tomorrow, but look at all that nice, great goodness right there, and it smells amazing. So tomorrow, possibly Wednesday, I'm gonna do one final racking, and then in about 5 days I can bottle it. So we're gonna keep it nice and dark with this. Beach wraps go, or not go, but they have so many different uses. Gotta still keep it nice and dark. I'm gonna keep in this area nice and cool, so that way nothing will spoil it. All right, see you guys in a couple days.